Hello class 8, welcome back to another session of computer class. This is your Avjit sir, and today I'll be presenting you the topic Network Cloud Computing. Cloud computing. A cloud is a network of servers that can be accessed via internet. Cloud computing is the delivery of different services through the internet. These resources include tools and applications like data storage, servers, database, networking, and software. It enables users to store files and applications on remote and then access all the data via the internet. This means the user is not required to be in a specific place to gain access to it, allowing the user to work remotely. In simplest terms, cloud computing means storing and accessing data and programs over the internet instead of your computer's hard drive. So cloud computing is the delivery of different services through the internet, including data storage, servers, databases, networking, and software. Rather than keeping files on a proprietary hard drive or local server storage device, cloud-based storage makes it possible to save them to a remote databases. So rather than keeping files on a proprietary hard drive or local storage devices, cloud-based storage makes it possible to save files to a remote database and retrieve them on demand. Cloud computing is a popular option for people and business for a number of reasons, including cost saving, increased productivity, speed and efficiency, performance, and security. Okay. Services offered by cloud computing. Number 1, infrastructure services like computing, machine, storage, and network. Now, infrastructure as a service, IaaS, it involves a method for delivery everything from operating system to servers and storage through IP-based connection as part of a demand, where companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Google provide a backbone that can be rented out by other companies. For example, Netflix is a customer of the cloud services at Amazon. Next is platform services for software development like software to develop web application. So platform as a service is actually a platform for creating software that is delivered via the internet, where a business can create its own custom application for use by all the company. Number 3 is application services like games, music, etc. Now this is actually a software as a service. It involves the license of a software application to customers. It is a cloud computing approach to provide users with access to a program via the internet so that the users can access it almost anywhere they have an internet connection and on secure machines. So the cloud can be accessed from any devices such as desktop, mobile phone, handheld phone, or laptop having an internet connection. The connected device behaves like online desktop on which computation can be performed online. The companies that offers cloud computing services charge the user based on their usage. So how the user is using the cloud computing, based on that they are charged Just like you get water bill for the units of water consumed or electricity bill for the units of power consumed. Some of the popular providers of cloud computing are Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, IBM SoftLayer, and Google Compute Engine. Characteristics of cloud computing. On-demand self-service. Now it allows you to request for service on demand when you need it, like storage. Suppose you want to store something which is not possible in your hard drive, okay, a huge database you want to store, so you want the service on demand. Compute an application without any human interactions, okay, this self-service. That is number one characteristic. Number two is broad network access. The cloud services can be accessed over a network via any device like mobile phones, tablets, laptops, and desktops. So you can access from any devices. Resource pooling. Now it creates a large pool of resources like CPU pool, memory pool, storage pool, network pool to provide services. Many users can be provided services from this pool. Number four, rapid elasticity. Elasticity means very flexible. It can scale up or scale down the resources as per your requirement. It appears to be unlimited. You may request for 10 MB storage or 10 GB storage. So the cloud is elastic and can provide you a requested services. And number five, measured services. It follows a pay-per-use model. It changes you only for the services that you consume. So how much services you're taking the advantage, that much you have to pay when you use it. So these are the characteristics of cloud computing: on-demand self-service, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity, and measured services. Advantages of cloud computing. Reduced its cost. Now you do not purchase expensive computer system, but use the services available on the cloud and pay accordingly. It is like online desktop, okay. So this reduces cost of purchasing computers system of high configurations. You don't have to purchase upgrading hardware and software, electricity, and export its staff, okay. So users can check their email on any computers and even store files using services such as Dropbox or Google Drive. So in that way the cost is reduced, as you don't have to purchase any expensive computer, but you can take the advantage of an expensive computers through internet or through cloud computing. Easy scalability. Your requirement for IT may increase or decrease in future, so you can use the resources, scale up when you need is more or scale down for lower needs. Business continuity. Data can be accessed from anywhere, anytime, and from any devices. Also backup of data can be kept. So it allows individuals to save storage space on their desktop or laptops. It also lets user upgrade softwares and more quickly, because software companies can offer their products via the web. Easy collaborations. Working in collaboration on a project become easy as data is available online and can be easily shared among members. Flexibility of work. Since all work is done online, so people can work from home and connect to the virtual office. And last, automatic updates. Your system will get regularly updated with latest technology. So it could be software or processing power. Latest version of the software and hardware are available. So these are the different types of advantages of cloud computing: reduced it cost, easy scalability, business continuity, easy collaborations, flexibility of work, and automated updates. Storing and sharing data using cloud computing. Now, cloud storage is the storage of data in the cloud. The data is managed, maintained, and kept safely in the cloud and made available to the user via internet. So only thing that you need is a very fast internet connections if you want to work in the cloud computing. The users use cloud storage to store data and program instead of storing on the computer's hard disk. Cloud storage providers such as Dropbox, OneDrive, and Google Drive offers free storage space. Cloud storage services are useful for sharing files with friends and peers. We can work in collaboration on a single file kept in the shared drive. Keeping documents in sync between all of your devices or phone laptops. Accessing files from anywhere via internet. So you don't have to be in home. You can access your file from anywhere in the world. Okay. Google Drive allows you to create files for Google Docs or document using Google Docs. Using Google Sheets, you can work on spreadsheet. Through Google Sites, you can create your presentations. You can share files and folders with others, and you can even create a new file. Now, storage space available for free in Dropbox is 2 GB. In Google Drive, it is 15 GB. OneDrive, it is 5 GB. And Mega, it is 50 GB. So you can see the logos of Dropbox, that is in the second. Google Drive is in the third. OneDrive is in the first, and Mega is with the M, red one, and Amazon is A. So there are the storage space that is provided by the different companies for free. So after this GB is finished, then you have to purchase it. Okay. Hope you all have understood the lesson. We'll soon meet in our next session. Till then, take care. This is Avjit sir, signing off.